Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're here, you're probably staring at that frustrating error code EC 2025 on your Bosch Tankless Water Heater, and you're wondering what's going on. Don't worry, I'm here to help you understand and fix it quickly. This error code usually points to an issue with the electronic control system, often related to communication problems between the unit's components, like sensors or the main board. It could be caused by things like power surges, loose wiring, or even sediment buildup in the system. First things first, safety is key. Make sure to turn off the power and water supply to your heater before you start troubleshooting. That way, you avoid any risks. Once that's done, check for any visible signs of damage, like burnt wires or corrosion on the connections. If everything looks okay, reset the unit by unplugging it for a few minutes and then plugging it back in. This simple step resolves the issue about 50% of the time for minor glitches. If the error persists, it's time to dive deeper. Inspect the inlet water filter for any clogs. Bosch heaters are sensitive to debris, which can trigger this code. Clean or replace it if needed. Next, examine the flame sensor or igniter for buildup. A quick brush with a soft cloth might do the trick. If you're comfortable, you can also check the wiring harness for loose connections and secure them properly. In some cases, this error might indicate a more serious problem, like a faulty control board, which could require professional help. Always consult your Bosch manual for model-specific advice, and if you're unsure, call a licensed technician to avoid voiding your warranty. By following these steps, you should be back to enjoying hot water in no time. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more home repair tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.